Hi everyone, we're joined today by Jon Santavy, managing partner at SimWell, to talk about a brand new guide designed to help leaders buy simulation more effectively. In fact, it's called How to Buy Simulation. Whether you're exploring simulation for a one-time decision or building a long-term planning capability, the buying process can be surprisingly complex. This guide breaks it down step by step. Jon's here to share what inspired it, what teams often miss, and how to get started the right way. So Jon, why did we create this guide specifically focused on how to buy simulation?
Because buying simulation isn't like buying software or hiring a vendor. It's really about scoping a decision. We've seen smart teams get stuck chasing features or spinning in circles because there wasn't a clear outcome or plan for who needs to be involved. This guide gives structure. Define the decision, pick the right modeling approach, and bring the right people in early. It's the process we use on every successful project, and we wanted others to have access to it from day one.
Jon, you've helped a lot of teams buy simulation. What's a common mistake that teams make in the buying process, and how does this guide help address it?
I love that question. One of the biggest mistakes is skipping the outcome. Teams start building before they've nailed down what the simulation is supposed to help them decide. That leads to overbuilt models, fuzzy ROI, or tools no one uses. The guide flips that. It starts with the decision. What do you need to know, when, and why? And everything else flows from there.
One of the guide's big takeaways is you don't need a full-scale model to show results. Why is that important?
Because simulation doesn't have to be big to be valuable. Some of the best results come from focused projects. One saying you'll always hear from us is that we try to build the simplest model to answer the business question. The smaller scope helps you show value fast, build internal support, and reduce risk, especially for teams that are new to simulation. It's a smart way to get moving without overcommitting.
Thanks, Jon. So look, if you're thinking about simulation or trying to get more out of your current approach, this guide's a great place to start. How to Buy Simulation walks you through 10 essential steps to help your team buy smarter and deliver results with confidence. You'll find the link to download it below or at simwell.io.